360 Financial is a registered investment advisor. A registered investment advisor is held to the fiduciary standard, meaning that we are legally bound to act in our client's best interests at all times. That may sound obvious, but not all advisors are held to that same standard. Non-fiduciary advisors can recommend higher cost products that can benefit them, as long as they are deemed suitable for the client. This can lead to a conflict of interest and ultimately cost the client more money. Most people do not know the distinction exists until after the fact. I recommend that you ask your advisor, are you a fiduciary 100% of the time? If they hedge, then you have your answer. You can also FINRA BrokerCheck an advisor's ADV online, which acts as the advisor's resume. This will tell you important information, such as how the advisor is compensated. At 360 Financial, we are fiduciaries. Your success is our success. Every financial decision touches more than your bank account. It touches your family, your work, and how you spend your time. At 360 Financial, that's exactly how we look at it. If that sounds like the clarity that you are looking for, book a free 15-minute call by clicking on the link in the description.